Happy BTS album release day! We have finally made it to BTS album release day. They just released their 5th album, Arirang, and it's been long awaited. I've been a fan since COVID, and their last technically album was B, which was that year in November of 2020, and then they did obviously some single albums with Butter, and then they did Proof, which is an anthology album, but we haven't had a full album in 6 years, so it just feels so good. I unfortunately have only watched the music video and listened to Swim, so I'm preparing myself to sit down with my headphones and really immerse myself. I just haven't had a second. So we're just gonna get ready right now. Camera quality changed because my camera died because I haven't used it in a bit because I haven't filmed in a while. So I'm using my phone now, but I think that I'm going to listen to it after I get ready for the day so I can prepare myself. And what I have today, it's a work from home day, so I have to work, but I'm gonna order the albums from Target for pickup. I'm gonna go get them during my lunch break, and then tonight there is a listening party at my local record store, so I'm gonna go with some of my army friends. Put way too much under my eye. And yeah, tomorrow morning there's the Comeback Live on Netflix, which I'm gonna watch, but tomorrow I have a work thing where I'm gonna be 2 hours away filming a podcast. So I'm gonna be busy all day tomorrow, which is fine. That is my plan for this video. And yeah, I'm gonna go listen to the album now. I'm scared. I'm on my laptop and I just am now on BTS's Spotify page, and we're gonna listen to the album. We also have a new cover, finally. I was getting so tired of the Proof one, but so gorgeous. Oh, and they changed the cover. Oh my god. Okay, we're starting. Body to Body. Namjoon. Oh my god. Hey. Hooligans and Aliens is crazy. Jimin's voice. Okay, I just pre-ordered my albums a little bit ago, and now they're ready for pickup, so I'm gonna go pick up the albums, and I'm gonna see the area that has all the BTS stuff, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm back from Target. They had this cute little setup, which obviously you guys saw before this, of the vinyls with their faces on it and some merch and obviously the albums. They didn't have everything set up yet, which is a little annoying, but I did place an order and pick it up, and I only actually saw a few albums. They didn't even have this one out on the shelves, so I'm so glad that I did a pickup order. So I ended up getting, I couldn't tell you every single version of the album. I know there's multiple vinyls with their faces on it, Weverse album, and then I think these 3 exclusives. My vinyl with Namjoon's face on it is being shipped to me. I would love one of the vinyls, but I have a specific one in mind, and they didn't have that at Target, so I didn't get it. But the albums that I did get are the Rooted in Korea version, which is the smallest of them. The Rooted in Music version, which kind of looks like Yoongi's album, packaging wise, not color wise. And then the Living Legend version, which is ginormous. Have no idea where that's going. 2 of these are Target exclusives, and I'm hoping that the Target exclusive, we get a Target exclusive plus the photo cards from the album version, because sometimes some K-pop groups only give Target exclusives. So the material of this is kind of like similar to Namjoon's Indigo album. It smells like it too. How do I open this? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay, everything is held together by a little string. Oh, and then it has all of the members' like messages, and I can't read them, so that's okay. Oh god, it's like a whole. We have a package. It is, oh, it's just out like that. CD. God. Wait, the photo book is kind of just like out. Like this. So this is really hard to show you guys, but how big? Yikes. Oh. Gorgeous. Then there's these. They're like little photo cards. Well, they're like standees, and then you pop the photo card out. So here's all the members. Cute. We have Jin. Don't focus on me, guys. Oh my god. Ah. Jimin. These are so, why is he so low? Oh, cute. And Namjoon. Okay, what is this? This is Rooted in Music version. Also same packaging. Ooh! Ooh, cool. Okay, it looks like this when you open it. And you have the CD over here, and it looks like little like a film strip thing. Okay, there looks like there's some little like film strips here. So of like all the members. Cute. I love how we're getting like all member sets. We're gonna do the photo cards, which looks like you only get the Target cards, but they're really good. Oh, look at this Namjoon. It's not even in the frame. Oh my god, Yoongi. Obi. Oh, Jimin. He looks so precious. Oh my god, that is so cute. This is what the back looks like. A little bit different from the other ones. Ooh! Look at this. It's like 3D. Fun. Oh my god, is this like Yoongi like randomly posted a photo? No, this is not the hair that he was wearing. Oh, I thought this was like that random Instagram post he shared. Sick. Last but not least, photo cards. Ooh. Ooh. The way that these are like super flimsy. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Namjoon. Jin. Focus on them, not me. Yoongi. Oh my god, that's so cute. Obi. Jimin. Why are they all turned to the side? Precious. Cute. Okay. The quality of these is so like, here is, I guess like a normal photo card. Like this is like this feels like it's like a picture, you know, and those actually felt like photo cards. Interesting. Interesting. I wish that they actually gave the actual album photo cards in the Target card. Then I wish they actually gave the actual photo cards along with the Target exclusives, but they're already giving us 7 cards, so that is my little unboxing. I have to go back to work because this is my lunch break, and just more work until 6 o'clock when we have the listening party. I am now getting ready to go to the listening party at my local K-pop store, and I am very excited to see my ARMY friends because this album was so good. I posted some of my reactions to it without like playing music because I'll get copyrighted on here, but it was so good. I loved like almost every single song on there. They are my favorite artists, so like of course I'm gonna like their stuff. I saw someone online, like obviously there's gonna be haters, especially in K-pop. People are just so like, what's the word? Opinionated, and think that their group is way better, but like that was way better than every single K-pop album I've ever heard, besides maybe a few TXT albums. And it was so good. I saw literally someone said that like a hater, full-on hater, saying that was the worst album they ever listened to and that they'd rather be mansplained to. Like, I'm sorry, but weird. So weird. But that's okay. You know, you don't have, like, it's okay to like BTS, fun fact, like, it doesn't make you cool for not liking them. But I got this really cool, like, eyeliner stamp thing that I used yesterday. I thought it looked super cool, so I'm gonna use it tonight. It's gonna give me some winged looks. Still obviously a work in process because I think I like this side better, so I'm gonna redo this side. Okay, I fixed it. And now I'm gonna put some mascara on. See? I mean, one side's a little bit thicker, but no one's really gonna notice.
She's gonna get tough with you. It's a queen. Hey, didn't I? You think so?
It's a video.
Oh.
Woo!
We're in public, guys. I know, I don't know how to act. More open space. What is your There's no guitar in this song.
Which means it is time for us to pick the grand prize winner. But before we do that, can we get everybody kind of...
Come on, knees. Come on, knees.